Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need a compatible iPhone, a working Lightning cable, or wireless-capable Alza variant, and the car safely parked with power on. First, plug the cable into the vehicle USB port marked for phone or CarPlay. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and watch for the CarPlay prompt. Tap Allow if asked. Make sure Siri is enabled. CarPlay depends on it for voice control. If the prompt does not appear immediately, disconnect and reconnect the cable firmly. You want the system to detect the phone. Once the cable is recognized, go to Settings, General, CarPlay on your iPhone and pick the Alza from the list. This confirms the vehicle and lets you customize app layout. Make sure CarPlay while locked is enabled so it appears without unlocking repeatedly. If using wireless CarPlay, pair the phone to the Alza via Bluetooth first, then accept the Wi-Fi handshake when prompted. After pairing, test opening maps or music. If an app won't launch, return to CarPlay settings and reorganize, or disable conflicting apps. Finish by testing core apps. Call a contact, start navigation, and play audio. Use Siri for hands-free commands to verify microphone and permissions. Once done, arrange favorites on the CarPlay screen for quick access. If CarPlay doesn't connect, try this key troubleshooting step. Forget the Alza and iPhone settings General CarPlay and in Bluetooth, then restart the iPhone and the car head unit. Reconnect as if new. If problems persist, reset network settings on the phone and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.